We just bought our third property, and this one is gonna be a game changer. Right here on the same street as our first property, we managed to buy this 4-bedroom house for $230,000, which is $25,000 cheaper than our first project. And we are about to completely transform this property, increasing its value by $200,000. And in this video, I'm gonna share all the plans for this house and the numbers, so stay till the end. Hi, I'm Greta, and behind camera is my husband Daniil, and together we are the Vnoutchkovs. And last year we started property investment with zero experience. And just in 7 months, we managed to buy 3 large properties with zero of our own money. And in this channel, we are sharing all our journey and how we did it, so you can learn how to do it too. And if this is something that interests you, make sure to like and subscribe. So now let me show you what we purchased. So just before I show you around, have a look how beautiful and big this hallway is with all these beautiful features. And technically this house is much wider than our first project, and we managed to secure it $25,000 less, which is amazing. So let me show you the first room. Look how big this living room is. It's really nice size. And obviously we're gonna be stripping everything out. You can see it's very outdated. We're gonna be removing the chimney breasts to create even a bigger space. And obviously, as this is gonna be an HMO, we're gonna be installing the en-suites in every single room. So this is the second room, and it's really generous size, has a massive window here. And as well, we're gonna be removing the chimneys, we're gonna be installing the bathrooms. We are actually discussing a completely different layout right now, because with every house we wanna improve and make it better. So let me show you the kitchen. We are discussing to probably move the doors here, so open all of the space here. And as this has a smaller rooms, which is probably used to be a dining room, and then the kitchen at the back, we're gonna be knocking all the walls here to create one large open space, which is gonna be one large kitchen with a dining living area. As you can see, here is kitchen. I think it's another chimney running here that we're gonna be removing. We're gonna be knocking all this wall here, opening everything all the way till the back of the property. So, and this is a small bathroom here. So all of these walls going out, and it's gonna be one large open space. Now let me show you the garden. This garden is as well bigger than on our first project. In the first project, the garden was more narrow. Here is a bit more wider, which is obviously very helpful for the bike storage. As well, another very nice thing in this garden, we have the window higher, which is really great for the privacy of the room, especially because it's gonna be an HMO. As well, another big bonus, the brickwork is so much better in this property than in our first one. In the first one, we have to do the pointing at the front, at the back. So in here, I think we can avoid this, which is amazing, saves us extra cost. Let's go back, I'll show you the rest. So in 2024, we had a goal to buy 3 properties and convert them into HMOs. And obviously, this is our 3rd property, and we received the keys only last week. And obviously, we are in 2025. But because the first property, when we bought it, when we received the keys, it was only end of July. So now we got our 3rd property, which is in February. So technically we are only on the month 7. So in 7 months, we managed to buy 3 properties, and we still feel like we hit our goal in 2024 because we did secure this property in December, even if we collected the keys only now. So we are really happy about it. So let me show you the rest of the house now. This property has amazing staircase. It has a lot of really nice features as well. Let me take you upstairs. So we have one of the bathrooms here. It's a toilet, a bathroom, and this is one of the bedrooms. This is one of the smaller rooms in the house, but as we're gonna be knocking this wall out and connecting it together, so we're gonna increase the space of this room and create a bathroom for that room. And then we're gonna create one of the off suites, and we're gonna use this little space here as well to create an off suite. This is another great size bedroom, which is obviously we're gonna do exactly the same thing. We're gonna remove all the chimneys to increase the size, and we're gonna strip everything out because it's very old doors, very old wallpapers everywhere. We're gonna remove this wardrobe here to create a staircase for the loft, as obviously we are gonna do a loft conversion, and we're gonna create additional 3 bedrooms in this house. Now let me show you the rest. So we have another really nice size bedroom here with the big bay window. Obviously, again, the same, we're gonna be removing the chimneys. We're gonna be creating a brand new ensuite here, and there is one more small bedroom left here. And this is another smaller bedroom of this house, and we're gonna be giving it some space from the hallway. So now let's run through the numbers. I'm sure that's the most interesting part for a lot of people, especially the ones who is looking into investing into the property. So as I mentioned before, we bought this house for $230,000, and we will be doing a loft conversion, adding 3 large bedrooms with the ensuite. So we will be increasing the footprint of this house, and the renovations we are expecting to be anywhere around $160,000 mark, as we already have our first project on this street, and we are on the end of the renovations. We are in the decoration stage, so we know that roughly that's what we spend, and that's what we're expecting to spend here. And of course, because this is gonna be a 9-bedroom HMO, we are gonna go for commercial valuation, which should allow us to reach around $600,000 valuation at the end. So this is the plan, and we have a lot of work ahead of us, but we are super excited to share all the transformation with you. And of course, we are hoping to avoid all the mistakes that we did on the first project, and we hope that this one can run much smoother and faster. And if you would like to see how the progress on our first property looks like, make sure to check out this video here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.